Hi, I'm Rodley from LemTask. Today we're answering one question. Is Toodledo worth using in 2026? Let's keep this clean and honest. This is Toodledo's homepage. For those who don't know, the link is down in the description below. Click and sign up for free. This tool is powerful for people who want to manage a lot of tasks, people who love structure, detail, control. If you enjoy planning and tracking work closely, then this tool fits perfectly for you. This tool is also not for everyone. If you want speed, if you want quick task caption, or if too many options slow you down, then this feels heavy for daily work for you. Here's the trade off: you get a lot of power, but power comes with great setup. More fields means more decisions. More control means more time managing the system. It's best when you are comfortable with with that balance. So it's all about having a structure when you're using this tool. It's all about structure. It's all about having a setup, knowing that you can everything is here. There's a lot of options to help you guide to execute your task, and I'm going to show you a quick two to three quick examples on how you do that. You just go to here on add tasks. Automatically what I want you to do is I want you to just to give yourselves any tasks. For me it's going to be work. Then, of course, if you look at this, I have due date, and this is in my folder section. It's not where it usually is, it's in my folder section because if you have a folder, it's kind of very professional because you quite have, work gathered in one place, then work scattered in all the places. Then you set your date, that would be today, and time. Time is very important. Time is very important. Without it, you wouldn't know what to set in, when to attack your task if you don't know when to start. So today at 4:30 p.m., I'm starting this task, and now I rank a priority level. Really, you have to be honest with yourself. How high or how low this priority is to me. Then you based on what you say. Then if you have extra notes based on the task that you have, you just say save. If you want to add more of the things to make your things more professional, you just write what you need. Automatically, I've just added my task. I'm going to add another one. I'm going to give this a date. Today, I'm going to give it time. And I'm going to give it my due date. It's due today. Then I'm going to give it a priority. Then I'm just going to save. So with this setup, this is a small setup. It only works if you have fewer less than five. So to actually see where you're going. So work and send email. I want us to look and compare how is this system going so far. Automatically, if I look at the start slash date time, I have to send emails at 5 p.m. That's due today, and it's a second high priority. Automatically, I've gotten the sense that at this time I should be attacking this task because it's a high level priority for me. Then, if I'm looking at work, start today at 4:30, today and three. It's a high priority top three. So it literally tells you that I have two high priorities today that I have to do. I have to stay focused, and these are my times to start, and it's due today. So automatically, the system feels very lighter. It's very reliable, because it works best when you're comfortable. And this is where, if you find the balance, it actually really helps you to do much best. For context, this is how we approach the same situation here at LemTask. This is LemTask homepage. For those who don't have LemTask, the link is down in the description below. Once you click the link, it'll take you here to the home website, and you just click here, get for free or start for free today. Once you click that, it'll take you right here, full name, email, password, and you create your account. Once you're in this LemTask dashboard, there's a lot of features that will help you strictly on executing and productivity. But just to make things much more easy, I'll just go to Brain Dome, and I'll just tell you one feature that I highly use the most and I highly love. It's the brain feature, the start voice feature. It allows me to actually schedule my tasks using my voice, allowing me to have less time to type and more time to schedule my tasks. Having work today. Automatically, I just extract that. It already gives me my time. It already gives me my date, as you can see here. It's only a matter of me putting in my time, choosing how high level, low level priority this is for me. Then I just add it like that. I'm just gonna do a second one, just show you guys how do I do it. Reading invoices today. Once that is done, I just extract there, and I just add my time because my date is already there for me because I gave it, and a priority. Then I just add to my task. Once I'm added my tasks, I go to the today section. It's literally where every single task that I have to do today stays. And as you can see, by using the voice feature, we have scheduled our two tasks with very quick speed and rapid pace. So this is already tasks ready to be done now. When the time hits, it's time to act and do. And after, in the process of doing, I use the focus timer to enhance my focus, to strictly focus on what I'm doing by putting a timer, a 25 minutes timer each. So I give myself 25 minutes of focus, telling myself this is what I'm doing. And the most better place is if you just scroll right down, as you can see, tasks you have to focus on. If I go to reading my invoice for 25 minutes, I press the start button. I'm focusing on reading my invoices. Then I go to my work and I do the same thing. This tracker helps me to track my work and to stay consistently focused on the task up until I execute it. Once the task is executed, therefore I go back to my today's list and I give that a tick because I have completed and executed my task. So here's the clear verdict. Toodledo is still worth using in 2026. For the right type of user, if structure helps you think, this tool supports you. If you do things simple, it helps you act. You may want something lighter. The best tool is the one that matches how you actually work.